And now here we pick up at the end of our double crochet row. We're going to triple crochet back the other direction. And again, I am right-handed, but you can just not turn the work, switch hands, and crochet back in the other direction. You do not have to rotate your work. You'll have to adjust patterns if you decide to do what I just said, but it just depends on your comfort level. And the same is true for left-handed crocheters. You'll want to look at the pattern and determine if your handedness makes a difference. So not all patterns will have an issue with that. Some might. So again, like the start of the double crochet row, I am chaining, remember that was our first learn, 3, because this is treble or triple, and now I'm skipping the first. This is going to be our faux treble crochet here. I'm going to take it and do exactly what I did with the double crochet, but 3 times. And as you might expect, it creates a long, slender stitch. This can be done linked or unlinked, just like double crochet. So it is a very typical stitch, frequently used in, I only yarned over once, frequently used as a foundation in more complex patterns. And we'll cover pattern reading later, but for this series, it'll only be the stitches. That's all we're talking about are stitches. So again, I have 9 because that first one, remember I chained 10 and I went back and crocheted 9. Same thing is happening here. And you can see the last V will be a little distorted. So I will have to work to get into that one. Not too bad. I am pulling a bit tight on this because I can't help myself. And I just double crocheted on it twice. Oh look, this yarn has another benefit. When you have to pull stitches out, it's really stiff and holds itself in position. Really nice about that. If you have a more slippery yarn, that won't happen. So I am thankful I'm using such a forgiving yarn, and I gift this to and use it with all of the new knitters and crocheters I work with. So anytime someone asks me, what should I learn with? This is one of the first items I pull out. This is one of the first yarns I give them. So this is, again, here. So this is a little bit pulled tight here because this is a chain. It doesn't stand up the same way as the others until you work the row, but it is the same length. Whoops, sorry, I head-butted my stand there. You can see the chain row is very small. The single crochet row is a little bit bigger. The double crochet row is a little bit bigger still. And then treble crochet is bigger. So now the last one.